Well, some gusty winds and high wildfire risks have left thousands of Southern California customers with no electricity and putting a damper on Thanksgiving plans. Up to 60,000 Southern California Edison customers had their power shut off or were considered to in Riverside County alone. News Channel 3's Samantha Lomibao spoke to residents about how the outages affected them today.
Right in the midst of, cooking Thanksgiving dinner and all stuff, all of a sudden everything just went black.
Thanksgiving plans took a turn for thousands of Southern California residents following mass power outages.
I came home to cook and I can't do anything right now until, the power goes back on.
SCE cut power to more than 63,000 of its customers on Thursday and at least 20,000 in Riverside County alone. That's because of strong Santa Ana winds carrying speeds of up to 80 miles per hour in some regions.
Restoration will depend on the weather conditions, so it's difficult to pinpoint a time because the weather can change so quickly.
SCE said those winds create an increased risk for wildfires.
So those are very strong wind gusts, and they have the potential to bring up debris and material in the air. And the danger with that is that debris can come in contact with power lines. So what we do is we de-energize the power lines so that if that were to happen, there isn't live electricity running through there, and we are able to mitigate the risk for fire.
A red flag warning was put in place by CAL FIRE starting Wednesday all the way through Friday, which prompted SoCal Edison to issue public safety power shutoffs.
We understand that today is Thanksgiving. Not having power on a special day like this is a very big hardship for our customers and our communities. But PSPS events are a tool of last resort. And that means that we have exhausted all of our other options to protect our customers and our communities.
Well, if you are experiencing a power outage right now, SCE is encouraging all of its customers to have an emergency kit ready at all times. Now that includes bottled water, fresh batteries, a battery radio, a first aid kit, and a flashlight.
In Banning, residents were also left in the dark for hours after Banning Electric reported a knockdown power line. Some residents say their power was shut off without any notice, ruining their Thanksgiving plans.
It's the worst time it could have happened, just especially a lot of people are cooking. If they are electric stoves and stuff, they're down. They don't really have any food until it goes up.
Stovetops, ovens, and even refrigerators all shut down for hours.
There's a lot of food that's going to go to waste, and I really don't know if it's really worth it. Luckily, I have a generator. But I feel sorry for all my neighbors, all around here and stuff, and anyone else that's being affected by this. This is Thanksgiving.
And if you are an SCE customer, head to their website, sce.com/PSPS, for the latest updates about the outages and when power is expected to come back on. In Banning, Samantha Lomibao, News Channel 3.